back to my channel, and today I have a seafood boil mukbang for you guys today with the one and only B-Love Smackalicious garlic sauce. This is her newest sauce, guys. So yeah, this should be really interesting. This is the sauce. Whipped it on up. Yeah. So hopefully the sauce is good. Everybody's been really hyped about the sauce. Followed the instructions on the pack. So I'm gonna get into this video. Yeah, I've been craving crab for the longest time. And for the seafood lovers, I know the hardest part about gonna eat seafood is waiting on the seafood to get done. Like, you just thinking about it and like, yeah. So matter of fact, I ain't show y'all my food, but I got crabs, corn, eggs, potatoes, shrimp, sausages, everything in the typical seafood boil. And I have lobster, y'all. Yes, I got the lobster going on. I'm gonna try that first with the trying the lobster with the Smackalicious sauce. That'll be the first thing I try with the sauce. So get up in there, get the whole thing in there. Yeah. Yeah. The lobster was grilled. That's why it's kind of a little tender. Ooh, sauce hot. Y'all don't mind these fries. Y'all know how when you open the door and the fly just invite itself in? Yeah. I'm not a nasty person or anything like that. They just invited themselves in this morning and I was just out there doing some yard work, you know. And I'm gonna have to give me some fly swats, something to keep them out away. Because as I'm trying to do this video, they interrupting me. But it's a part of nature, so I'm not really tripping about that. It's just, as long as they're not in my way, I don't have no problem. Yeah, so far so good. This sauce, I'm gonna try with the shrimp. Wait, did y'all see my new hair color? Yes, that is a burgundy color. And my sister had put me some twists in my hair, yes. I had recently dyed my hair. I had made a video. I was making a video, but it didn't come out how I wanted to come out, so I didn't end up posting it. But this is the finishing touch of how my hair looked, since you guys didn't see it yet. Yeah. I feel like yeah. And then on the side, I have me some thin sliced cucumbers. Thin sliced cucumbers right here. with salt and vinegar. Yes. go wrong with no cucumbers. With the salt and vinegar. We're gonna get back to the seafood. Yeah. Honey, when I tell y'all, if you don't like seafood, I don't know why. Cause it's busted. And yes, Beloved sauce is actually good. I forgot to give y'all the review on that one. I'm really loving it. How they going? Good. Mine was going okay until I got the seafood. Now my day has been going great. Yeah. I got some eggs too, y'all. Eggs. Cut them in half. Y'all seen the sausage? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I have more videos coming. If you guys would like, you guys can comment some ideas that you guys would like me to do in my videos. Look at the flies just flying around having a ball, y'all. I'm telling y'all, they so irritating. Yes, as long as they ain't touching my food. Y'all, look how, just look how the sauce is. Oh, it's that Smackalicious garlic buttery. You know how she be in her videos? Get that onion and garlic out of there. Yeah, get that onion and garlic out of there. No, for real. Use the spoon. Hold on, let me show y'all. Hold on. I'm gonna do this. Hold on. Give me a minute. Because these the real shrimp right here. You know you gotta peel them off. Peel the skin off the shrimp. Yes, it take a little minute. But we're gonna get, alright, we're gonna get done. This how she be, y'all. Let me show y'all exactly how she be. She'll dip it in there. Make sure you get that garlic and that onion. Yeah. She actually put more than that. You like it? Yes, I love it actually. This sauce, Beloved, you did your thing. You did your thing. I can say you did your thing. And I'm going to tell you, I know a thing or two about food and sauces. And you did your thing, Beloved. You did. I'm going to have to give it to you. You didn't waste no time.
We did that one. Yes. I ain't from y'all.
That right there, that's the packet it came in. I encourage y'all to go try it. She won't disappoint. Yes. Yes. Look at that.
Let it savor in that sauce. Yes. You got an update on that? But that's all. Finish this first. I'm gonna put the trash to the side so I can be able to eat my food, you guys. I ain't bring no bed or nothing to the table with me. So I'm just putting it to the side. Give me a minute, guys.
Did I tell y'all about my drink though? I ain't tell y'all about my drink. This is a pomegranate Italian soda, and I got it from Whole Foods, guys. I got a side of ice, which with milk, so I have to drink a little water. But I'm about to hold up. This soda is so good. If you shop at Whole Foods, you should know about this soda. If you don't, get into them. This soda is so good. Yes. Get one of the potatoes out of here. Some of that salsa over here. Hold on. Some of that onions. Some of that. But do y'all like my hair color though? I've been rocking it for the past couple of days. And I've been feeling it. Let me know in the comments down below if y'all rocking with it. And should I dye my hair more often? And if so, what color should I dye? I heard she have like 2 or 3 other more sauces. Y'all need to try. Cause This one gave what it's supposed to give. I'm gonna tell you one thing. These crabs gave too. Shout out to my mama for putting it together like this. She don't never miss. It's good. It's great. Woo. It was the lobsters for me. If y'all see these flies, just look at them like they're my pets. Because at this point, they all in my grill. And I guess they hungry. I don't know. But they knew not to come towards my food for real. One thing I can say, they give me much respect. But I know they better go ahead to their mama or something. I love the shrimp like this though. They taste better than others too. Tune in for more videos because I have more on the way. Yeah, I think I told y'all, but I'm gonna tell y'all again. I have more videos on the way, so if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it. Or if you are not enjoyed, because I'm not in the video right here. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like the video. That would be very much appreciated. And if you haven't subscribed, if you just clicked upon the video, do so and subscribe for me. And don't forget to hit that post notification bell so you can see each and every video that I upload. Because things are about to get crazy once I start these prank wars. They don't even know. They don't know if to start these prank wars real soon. And y'all gonna like it because I got some up my sleeve already. And I have more challenges coming to my channel. I tried new things with y'all. I tried the Mexican candy with y'all. Never tried Mexican candy. I tried that with y'all. I'm gonna try something else new with y'all that I haven't tried before. Just give me a minute. Give me a minute. Cause y'all know school about to start in a minute. Like, and not too long. School is about to start. So, I'm gonna have to have everything organized. I'm gonna have to plan the day before. I'm just gonna have to plan ahead, period. So, with that being said, y'all know I'm gonna have homework to do, studying and all that. I'm gonna try to upload every day for my subscribers. I'm gonna try to update y'all on everything that's going on. So just be patient with me. I know I haven't uploaded in a few days, but this is me uploading and telling y'all that I got more videos coming soon. Not just me uploading a few videos and just quitting. Nah. That's not what we doing. Not on this channel. The goal is to keep going, you know, be consistent. That's my goal. As long as you guys stick with me through the journey, God bless you. One thing I forgot to do before this video was pray. God, I thank you for this food. It was so great. Amen. I know. I was supposed to pray before. I got too excited. Like, sometimes that happens. You get too excited. Oh, yeah, let me wipe up. Like, the food's so good. It's like, you don't even care for making a mess. You know? But, as I was saying, when you get excited sometimes to eat and you've been waiting all day, especially when it comes to seafood. When it comes to seafood, baby. When it comes to seafood, you get excited. Well, I get excited. I don't know if you get excited, but I get excited. So, forgot to pray. I just prayed. The Lord looking at me right now like, I understand. He understands. He invented seafood. So, he understands. Go get y'all some of that pomegranate Italian juice, Italian soda from Whole Foods. They be selling out there too. So if y'all wanna go try that, get to your local Whole Foods store ASAP. They actually got different varieties too, of different flavors, not just pomegranate. I just put y'all on, so well, y'all try it. Let me know who put you on. Or y'all who already tried it and they know it's busting. We got some good tasting drinks. Y'all, if I could, seafood would be the only thing that I eat every day. If I could just eat seafood all day, every day. I know how be good. I feel be good on every level when she got the seafood all in her channel, in her videos. Practically the only thing she eats is seafood. Sure. I feel you, beloved. But the only thing I want to eat right now, and after I'm done with this, is seafood. I'll make sure I order some more of your sauce. It means y'all see this shrimp. When I want me to feel this food. No meat shall be left on the crab shell. No meat. Now that's how you eat crab. Don't eat the shell though. Don't eat the shell. Did you like the video? Oh, okay. We cool then. As long as you like the video, we cool. Is the notifications on? Alright, cool. I'm watching. The meat that be in here, I think that's the knuckle. I'm not sure, but it gives you a great amount of meat in that little knuckle. Don't mind my kids. Ooh. I know y'all like, she crazy talking to that fly, cause that fly understand. That flies understand. They act deaf.
You hit them, try to swat them or something, they come right back. They touch you. Not during this video, not today. The same one I just yelled at. Right here trying to play with me.
Yeah, yeah, I'm telling y'all. They can hear you. He just tried to hit me. Probably tried to snatch some food out of my mouth or something. But I'm gonna make sure I get him after this video. Yep. He gonna remember the time he disrespected me. Not during this video though. He definitely tried to play with me. No, I'm trying to do. Eat my seafood with the beloved sauce. Ooh. Got a tiny soda for me, baby. Cup number 2. Y'all see it nice and sparkling, the bubbles. Y'all see that?
They don't miss. It's organic too, y'all. Organic, a sweet, rich, divine, authentic Italian soda. From Italy. Italy definitely showed up and showed out. Yeah. Cucumber here, y'all. Hold on, let me show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all. This salt and vinegar right here. I don't know if y'all can see. This seasoning salt is for Buffalo Wild Wings. I just put y'all on again. Go check that out if y'all haven't already. It tastes good with your cucumbers. Anything that you need salt and vinegar on, it tastes good. So I really like that item. Ooh. Let me slow down, y'all. Let me slow down. Let me slow down. Clean up a little bit. Let's see. I don't got that much to go. But I don't want to overstuff myself, you know. Take casual breaks during eating. Especially if you get a big seafood platter like that one, like I just had. You want to take your time, you know. You don't want to rush. You want to take your time. Rush, you're full quick. Even if you're full. You gotta keep on eating. Nah. Ooh. I'm gonna end the video early because the simple fact is these flies, they kind of irritated me as I'm trying to finish this video. They're steady getting interrupted the video, and I don't appreciate that, and I just feel as if that needs to be punished. So, with that being said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And when you subscribe, there's a bell on the side. It's called a post notification bell. You click the button, and all notifications on, and you get to see every video I upload. And don't forget to try everything I added in the video that you haven't tried. The Italian soda from Whole Foods, the Smackalicious garlic sauce, my beloveds, she actually made that sauce, and you can order it off Amazon. And don't forget to try the salt and vinegar from Buffalo Wild Wings. I appreciate you guys for watching the video. Stay tuned for more videos. I love you. Bye.